Hello Fabrication Nation. I want to do a quick tool review today. I just got this Typhoon Pro blowgun in. I just want to do a review on it and let you know what I think about it. First off, I'd like to take a minute to thank Adam Booth at A-Bomb79. If you haven't seen his channel, go and check it out. He has hundreds of videos, really good stuff. But the reason why I want to thank him is because he did a review on this gun, and it's really the whole reason that I know about it and why I got interested in this particular blowgun. He actually took a lot of heat for doing a review on the gun. There are viewers out there who want absolutely nothing to do with sponsorship or channels that have sponsorships and get paid or receive some type of benefit for displaying and doing reviews on their tools. I can see how it gets out of hand, especially on primetime television. You can't get away from people driving product down your throat. I'm a big fan of buying quality tools and only buying them once. If I have to buy a product 1 or 2 or 3 times, then in my opinion, it's not a quality tool. And I want to know what tools are out there that are going to last, because nowadays you just don't know. You can't ever tell. Things that used to be quality tools are no longer quality. Things that weren't always known for quality have really stepped it up and now make a quality product. So it's just so hard these days to really know what it is you're buying without somebody getting it, testing it out, and doing a thorough review. So with that, I'd like to start off with the blowgun that I've used for years, and it's been this style here. And I'm sure there are some better ones out there, but this one is cheap. And it's the style that's probably the most readily available, and I've gone through tons of these, and even this one is starting to stick on me, but it's gotten me by. And like I said, if I've got to buy it 2 or 3 times, then it's not a quality tool, and this definitely is not a quality blowgun, but it got the job done. So with that, I have this Typhoon Pro here. I also got a nozzle attachment and then the connector. Nice packaging, by the way. And right off the bat, this thing has got a little bit of weight to it. It feels heavy, it feels nice. It's got an all-metal handle here. And I think the only difference between the Typhoon and the Typhoon Pro is probably this handle. It looks to be more durable, and it doesn't have the rubber handle on it. So that seems to be the main difference. I don't know if there's any internal difference. But right off the bat, this thing is, it's got some weight to it. It feels good. It feels heavy in your hand. It comes standard with this nozzle here. So I'll take this loose, and there's all different types of nozzles you can get for this. But this is what comes standard with it. Here's an additional nozzle that I bought that extends the length of the gun out. It's 12 inches in length, and I have to commend them on the packaging here. This is more my style. Just give me what I need, give me what I pay for, and you can keep the trash. So looks to be an aluminum tube. So I'm going to get this together. I'll put just a tiny bit of thread locker on here. Okay, so I can tell you the first thing I don't like about the gun. So now I'm stuck with a nozzle that doesn't work for the extension. And what I assume is I have to go buy a specialized nozzle for this extension here. So it does have a threaded end, but it's not threaded into the other side of that nozzle there. So that threaded end is made into the piece. That's one solid piece. It doesn't come off, and because of that, it doesn't thread into the other end of this. So that's kind of a bummer. So for right now, I think I'll just take the extension off. Now that I've got my thread locker on there, and put the nozzle back on and just see how it works. Okay, I got it connected. Pull on the trigger. You can see how it pushes my hand back a little bit. So that's pretty powerful. Let's see how it moves these tools across the table here. Okay, I'll show you the difference with Old Trusty here. You can see it's thickened, so my trigger is stuck. So you can tell it's dramatically weaker. All right, let's see how it does cleaning up the shop. Okay, so that's the Typhoon Pro blowgun, and I think I have a new favorite tool in the shop. So overall, it's good craftsmanship. It's well put together. It feels heavy, and I think this one's gonna last. It's very powerful. And thanks again, Adam, for introducing me to this tool. You'll be seeing this in the shop. Thanks for watching Fabrication Nation.